Chasing the highs, girl, the highs, yeah, the highs. I'm gonna finally get up, cause I'm not giving up on my dream.
Hey gorgeous people, I hope you're all okay and welcome to my new hair. So I've been dying to talk to you about my new hair and the sudden change of my hair going from short to long, and it's all thanks to Goo Goo Hair Extensions. I have been kindly gifted this beautiful set of hair extensions from them, who are a company who specialise in creating luxury human hair extensions for you to have your hair dreams come true. If you shop on their website, you can find all different types of styles of hair, shades, ponytails, clip-ins, seamless clip-ins, anything that you want is on their website. So before we go on into the video, I thought I'd show you the little packaging it comes in. It's so sweet. Your hair extensions will arrive in one of these, and you actually get the cutest little bundle included with all your hair extensions. So in this little bundle you get a scrunchie, which is the cutest scrunchie. It's this perfect white with little fluffy details on it. I just think that's so dreamy. You get a pamphlet all about Goo Goo Hair, and you also get little cards about your guarantee. Goo Goo Hair extensions, though, they're in there. I was wondering where they were. You get a replacement guarantee if one of the clips are broken, a fish wire problem, or a hair tape stops working. You get a pair of lashes, guys. A pair of lashes with your hair extensions. Tick. And then you also get some replacement clips as well. And then you get a little clip for putting your hair extensions in your hair, and it says Goo Goo on it, which is amazing, just to help clip up your hair. So I think that's so sweet of them just to include that little bundle in there, and I'm absolutely obsessed with a scrunchie. But let's get straight on into this hair transformation with my hair. So this is what my hair looks like at the moment. It is very, very short, very sweet little hair. I'm so excited for these hair extensions. Literally, I've been living my best hair life. These hair extensions are what I want my hair to look like, as in my own natural hair. As you can see, my natural roots coming at the top there, and we're sort of like this caramelly tone at the bottom, but it's just the length. I'm waiting for it to grow. It's been very damaged from my hair lightening journey, and we're gonna go ahead and straighten it just so I can get it all nice and smooth for when I apply my hair extensions. So I'm just using the Monument X Beauty Works hair extension straightener. I'm heating it at 220 for my own natural hair, just because my hair is very thick and very coarse. So I'm going to go ahead and straighten my natural hair and separate it and show you how I straighten my natural hair.
I'm kinda new with apologies. Holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with it.
So in retrospect of my hair journey, I went for the Bleach Blonde Balayage, a tongue twister that one is, and I went for the 20-inch hair extensions. So these are 150 grams. I do have very thick hair, so these are really, really nice because they're nice and thick. Of course, you can change your grams on there, and they do a colour match service on there as well. They're all 100% human hair, and they literally aim to create the best quality hair extensions with over 20 years experience as well, and they are shipped from America, I believe. So yes, these are the shade that I went for. So a balayage is nice and simple. As you can see, it goes for a really, really dark shade. They are all like together. I have straightened them individually, but it's just how I'm holding them at the moment. But as you can see, it's got running through there blonde, the coppery tones that I have in my hair. So as you can see, it will literally just lay and give me a nice tonal contrast, which my aim is to get more of these light tones moved back up into my hair, just like I have in my fringe here. Just a few more of those, and I just feel like it will look a lot more seamless. But these hair extensions, the quality is so amazing. So in here you get 2 single clips. You get, is it 3 or 4? You get 4 2 clips, and then you get 2 3 clips and you get 1 4 clip. So you get a lot of clips basically all together in these hair extensions, but all those clips just basically mean you get a lot more coverage in your hair. I'm literally obsessed with this blonde. So when I'm applying my hair extensions, I will always start with the 4 clip. So as you can see, there's 4 clips on this hairpiece, and as you can see, it is literally a straight balayage. Look at that, it's literally a straight balayage. But I feel like it just looks so much more seamless in your actual hair. So I'm just getting my Molly May brush just to brush it through, and as you can see, it sort of goes up and down in your hair. I was actually going to get the caramel balayage, but with my hair journey and where I want to go, I just feel that would like reverse where I'm going for, because it's a lot more caramelly tones. It is a very beautiful shade, but I want to go more blonder at the end of my hair, so that basically means a balayage. So this is so perfect for me. It's so soft, and I always like to straighten mine with a little curl at the bottom, so that's what I do with my hair extensions and my hair straighteners. I just do a little flick at the bottom, and like I said, I will heat them at 170. I've got 170 on here just for, oops, I've just moved it up to 175. I will use 170 for my hair extensions just because I don't want to burn them, so definitely just be aware of that. And yeah, let's get applying this hair extension. I like to use my fingers most of the time when I'm applying hair extensions, but I will use one of these little separators if I need to, and to back comb the hair just to make the grips stay onto your hair a lot cleaner as well. So I'll literally just go behind my ears, go all the way around, and then I'll make a little separation like that, and then tie this bit up. I don't know how straight that is, but that's just how we like to do it.
We got everything we need right here. Wine and burning chemistry. You and me alone. You and me alone. Inside of our embassy. Everything we need right here. Make me sing along. Sing along. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. I never thought I'd ever be stuck by you. Oh, watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. We got everything we need, right? Watch me dancing in the colors, lightning blowing up a thunder, wash it over me. Yeah, we got everything we need right here. Moonlight on your naked skin, summer's blind us to giving. Where you wanna go, where you wanna go. Stars align onto your face, pretty sweet your sour taste.
So here are the hair extensions in. I am yet to hair straighten them on the degrees of 170 for the hair extensions in my hair. I'm going to style that in a second, but just to show you, I know they're not 100% blended, but I can pretty much get away with this shade. Of course, I've got a long process ahead of me with blending it, but it's definitely blendable to my hair and exactly what I want to go after. So I'm absolutely obsessed. The quality of the hair is so lovely, it's so easy to work with, and I'm just absolutely obsessed. The 150 grams and 20-inch suit my hair very, very well. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to go ahead and style my hair and style my fringe.
You're quite good at that, dodging all my questions. Wrap your arms around my neck. Such a decent price, earning my affection. Now there's no way to go back.
how I would style my hair with the Goo Goo hair extensions. You know me, I'm just a simple plain gal with the straight hair. I love it so much, but I definitely am going to experiment with curls now I have these beautiful human hair extensions. It's going to be so much easier for me. So I absolutely love them. They're so seamless. Of course I have a little bit of work to do on them, but this is typically how I'd style them, and I'm pretty sure I can get away with them, and I've had so many compliments, which is absolutely lovely to hear. So my next hairdresser appointment, I'm definitely going to get some more of these lighter shades moved up a little bit, but they are absolutely stunning. I'm just living my best hair life. I've definitely check out the website. They have clip-in hair extensions, they have seamless hair extensions, they have ponytails, they have clip-ons, they have everything. And like I said, they have a virtual try-on, so you can see what hair shade will match you if you're like me and you just had a inkling for wanting more longer hair, or you want some volume, or your hair's very thin, vice versa. They're suitable for all hair types, and they just make your hair feel so nice and you feel so glam with them, and I absolutely love them so much. So thank you so much to Goo Goo Hair. So these are, like I said, Bleach Blonde Balayage, and I got 150 grams. So yeah, thank you so much for watching all about my new hair. I'm so excited to have it now, and I'm just so pleased with it. So thank you so much for watching. Love you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Someday soon, I'm gonna make it.